Hello teacher and everyone. Today in this video I want to talk about historical building is successful in rebuilding and the building I want to talk about is the War Memorial. It was found on Israel in the south of Korea by a farmer named Woo Sun-pyo, and in 1948 is the wall to 50 meter, and it seems like shields protect the Seoul, because if have some history about it, like so some people say that inside the wall have some Asian people was the form for donkey years, and in the last of 20th century is the went out and don't attack more tourists. The government in Korea invest some money to rebuild and fix and rebuild it, and after that it attract more tourists around the world to visit and take picture with the building. Thanks for listening.